G'day, Rob here from StockOptionsSecrets.com. In this video you get a small taste of what you can expect if you order your free Stock Options Trading CD, which you can order from StockOptionsSecrets.com. In this video there will be about 5 minutes from part 1 of the second video. The full course contains over 24 hours of content aimed at turning you from a beginner into a trading expert. You will learn how to trade with confidence. Now sit back and enjoy the 5-minute preview.
This program. I think you're going to find an absolutely fantastic way to trade that's going to serve you for the rest of your life, because once you learn how to do this, unlike other industries, the stock market really doesn't change. You know, investing, they may have new products, like recent years ETFs have been very popular, so there's might be new products coming on the scene, but the basics of investing will not change. They will be the same pretty much forever. And once you learn how to master this program, you're going to be able to not only have the confidence to trade on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis for the rest of your life, but this is a type of program that you can hand down to your children and your grandchildren, because the basics of what we're going to be covering and even the advanced techniques that we're going to be covering are not going to change. They're going to be the same forever. I just want to say that, first of all, I don't know what your experience is in investing and trading. You may be very, very new to investing and trading, and that's fine. I think that you need to go out and purchase some very basic books on options. You need to understand what an option is, because that's what we primarily use for trading in our monthly income component of this business. The second thing is that you probably won't need any more than the basics. So a single book on options is all you're going to need, and I don't want you to get totally confused about that, because we are going to cover everything just beyond the basics here. Everything that you're going to need is in this trading program. The only thing that you might want to do is pick up a very, very basic book on options just to get familiar with what an option actually is. But we're also going to cover option fundamentals for just a few minutes, so you may not even need that. But it does help, and I found it really does help when I learn new material, is to find many different books on the subject as I possibly can. Both older books and newer books and anything that I can read on a topic. When I get into a subject, I normally read between 5 and 10, sometimes even 15 books on the subject itself, even though you know, you might be involved in this core program here, and you'll really get all the information that you need in this program. But in order to round out your education, you might want to pick up a few books just to get familiar with the way other people might look at the you know, trading and investing, especially the use of options in trading and investing. And it's been my experience also that, you know, when I find a program that really, really works, and I find something that is so excellent that I get really, really excited about it, and I really want to test it out, I tend to get comfortable with the material and then start to get creative with it. I start to think of ways that I could expand the program, or maybe because of the other things that I've read, go away from the program and say, oh, maybe I could do this, or maybe I could do that, or maybe I could do something else. And when you start to get creative, then you're at the point where you're really going into uncharted territories, and I can tell you that you will eventually come back to this program again. You'll get so excited by this program that you may go out and read all kinds of other materials. You might even go to seminars. You might even go to, you know, to workshops, or, you know, anything that you can find, because you've got this newfound knowledge and you're so excited about it that you want to learn as much as you can. And that's great. That's really, really great. But I know for sure that once you try other programs, I guarantee it that you'll come back to this program because it is the most profitable way to trade. Since 1985, I have been trading all kinds of different systems. I've traded option contracts, I've traded stocks, I've used systems, I've used technical analysis systems, I've used just about any type of system that you can possibly think of. I've gone to the seminars, I've gone to all kinds of different workshops and online seminars and webinars and programs, free programs that cost $5,000 for 2 days. And I've gone to all of them. And I can tell you with a great deal of confidence that the system that you have in your hand right now beats them all. This is the very best system for you to make money on a consistent basis and also build long-term wealth.